Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video cooking a recipe that falls in the keto eating plan. Today, I'll be cooking beef and broccoli. Got it out of this one of these cookbooks that I find at the end of the registers at work. Quite a bit that goes into it, but again, it's a really simple recipe. A little more complicated than most of my slow cooker recipes, where most of the time slow cooker recipes you just put it on the slow cooker and wait 8 hours. But this one has another step or two in it. But let me go ahead and get started on it. And here's all what's in it. It'll be 2 to 3 pounds. The recipe calls for a flank steak. And my store doesn't seem to carry flank steak. But looking up a bit online, looks like flat iron steak is a good substitute for that. Flat iron might be good, even better because when I looked up online, it said it has a higher fat content, and that's good for keto. And 2/3 of a cup of liquid aminos, coconut aminos, however you pronounce that. 1 cup of beef broth. 10 drops of stevia. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. 3 cloves of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of ginger flakes. And it calls for a head of broccoli. And nowhere around here seems to have any heads of broccoli. I don't know if that's just a 2020 drama thing, or no one buys broccoli by the head, so they just have these bags of florets. But I looked up online. It's about 4 cups to a head of broccoli. 4 cups of florets to a head of broccoli, and then 1 red bell pepper. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these away because that comes in later. And then I'm going to get everything cut up and shred it up. Okay, got everything cut up and measured out. So I think something tells me that I got the meat cut up too big. But oh well, worth a chew. Anyway, so I'll set the slow cooker on low. Put the meat in. And the garlic and red pepper flakes. Then the ginger. Beef broth. And aminos. Get that all stirred up. Ginger and the aminos smells really good together. I almost forgot the stevia. Well, it's only 15 minutes in. I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, I'll go ahead and let that get back to cooking. Okay, that's been cooking on low for about 5.5 hours now. So now I'll add in the broccoli and the red bell pepper that I cut up. And I'll get that mixed up, and I'll let that sit for 1 more hour. And there you go. There's beef and broccoli. I don't think I'll be making it very often. It smells good. I think it turned out well. It just it only makes 4 servings. A lot of recipes I've been coming across lately, it's just 4 servings. It's like that doesn't fill up the freezer very well. So, but yeah, that's beef and broccoli. I hope it turned out as well as it smells. Thanks for watching. If you're feeling generous, check out Patreon down below. Blog links down below as well. Thanks for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe, and have a nice day.